Hello teachers. For class 10 we have purchased a my CBSE guide package for taking the class tests to the standard 10. So how to create the class test and how to conduct the test to the students, that I am going to show in this demo. So very first you have to send your Gmail ID to me on WhatsApp number. Suppose I'm going to add one teacher. Say suppose Varsha Ingole is the teacher and she want to create the paper. So she has to send me her Gmail ID. So she is sending me Gmail ID. See here. Okay, so her Gmail ID is varshaingole03 at the rate gmail.com. So she is going to send me, and after sending, just I'll add that teacher into the My CBSE guide as a teacher to the SPS Singapore Public School Kamlapur. In this platform, I'll add that teacher, and after adding, just I'll send um, one link to that teacher. Okay, see here one link is sent by me to the teacher, uh, by which you can log in to the my CBSE guide and you can create the paper. So here click on this link. After clicking on this link you will be diverted to the mycbseguide.com, but for this the login is required. So how you can do the login? See, login with Google, you have to click on this first option. Three options are there: login with Google, login with Facebook, and login with email. Out of that, for first you have to click login with Google. So whenever you are clicking login with Google, then it will show your Gmail accounts. Okay, so it is showing here that Varsha Ingole 03 at the rate gmail.com. The same mail ID which you given to me, it should be there. Click on that. Don't use the different Gmail ID here. So you will come here on the my CBSE guide portal, and here there are various options. This is a dashboard where we can create the paper, we can view the paper, we can buy the package, or see here you have not created any question paper yet. This kind of information they may give. So now here you are using test generator as test generate. We are doing the test generation. So Varsha Ingole role is owner, but I don't want to use my own profile. I want to use the profile of Sinhagad Public School teacher. So switch the role of the teacher, that Varsha Ingole to the, you have to switch second one, Sinhagad Public School role as a teacher. The second option you have to choose for creating the paper. So after clicking it, click on switch button. Switch button is there. Click on switch. Now check the role here. So what is the role? You are using test generator as Sinhagad Public School role as teacher. Now this part is over. After that you have to create the paper. How you can create the paper? See here, generate new question paper. Start is there. You have to click on the start. So various folders are there: exams, create paper, view paper, question bank, blueprint, evaluate. So resources, here you can add your videos, study materials, free contents. This is institute. Our Sinhagad Public School institute code is GJ7J69. Website link is there. You can view the website. You can view the Android app. Here my institute is there. Batches are there. So 10th ex Ronaldo and ex Messi. These two batches I have added here. The number of students, teachers you can see there, and my account. So out of that, very first, after switching the role as Sinhagad Public School teacher, you have to create the paper. From where you can create the paper? Generate new question paper. You can click on start, or in exams there are too many folders: create papers, view papers, question bank, and blueprints and all. So first option is create paper. So I'll click on that create paper. Click on the create paper. Then sometimes if you not registered your mobile number, it will ask your mobile number, add your mobile number. So here Varsha madam, she has been already added her mobile number. So this step is kept here. But first time you are using my CBSE guide, then it will be definitely ask your mobile number, add your mobile number, then you will come to this step. So there are three steps. First step is create test, a new test. Second one is add a question blueprint, and third is preview and create quiz. So we are now in the first step. What you have to do here, come to the class and subject. So select class and subject, click on the select button. After selecting, select module. So I'll select the module as CBSE. We are a CBSE teachers, so CBSE. Select course for class 10. Yes, I have given permission to Varsha madam for creating the paper of mathematics for the class 10. So CBSE class 10, select subject. So she'll select mathematics and then click on OK button. After clicking the OK button, class subjects it is filled. Then come to the next part, test paper type. So there are 4 test paper types. Question paper, then second one is online test, third one is online test, that is objective plus subjective, and third one is worksheet. So we have to create the test paper for the online. So you have to choose second or you have to choose third one. What is the difference between second and third? Second is only for objective and third is for objective plus subjective. Now I'll create the paper for online objective test. You can choose the third one also, subjective. For subjective, students will upload their answers by photo, and that photo you have to check, you have to evaluate, and you have to give the marks. So first I'll show how to create the online test objective only. So choose online test objective. Then come to the next part, blueprint mode as express, manual, express, and I will add questions. So out of that, choose middle one, express. Means at one stroke we are creating the paper. So that's why express, fast. Okay, next, PDF header and footer. So select template. So just we will select template, DH or DH1. Any of these two you can choose. So most recent one is DH1. So click on the DH1. Then test paper name. So she is creating the mathematics test paper. So for class X, so class X, year is 21, maths test, suppose test number 4 she is creating. So class 10 maths test 04. This is as per your choice, as per your convenient, you can write the name, but every time name should be different. So earlier she has been conducted 3 tests, class X21 maths test 04, earlier she conducted 03. So this is the 4th test. So time allowed, this part is very important one. So now Varsha madam want to create the test for suppose 40 marks test. So she want to give the time, that is 90 minutes. So the time is in minutes, huh? You have to write 90, time allowed minutes 90. Then quiz starting date time and quiz ending date time. So for quiz starting date time, suppose I want to create the test on Monday, so coming Monday. So on coming Monday, what is the date? Just I'll check it here. On coming Monday, the date is 12. So I'll opt as 12 July. Here you can choose 12 July 2021. The timing, I want to start the test at 4 o'clock. So I'll write 4 o'clock. So here minutes, in minute column, just I'll take 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. at 4 p.m. set it. So you can see it here, 12/7/2021, 16 that means what, 4 o'clock. So quiz ending time, again it is coming there on 7th July I think it is 12th July. So again I have to set 12th July, and I am keeping the timing as a 6 o'clock. Why I am keeping the timing here 6 o'clock? Even though duration is 90 minutes, I am giving here 2 hours. So flexible time I am giving 2 hours. In that they can utilize 90 minutes. So or I can give the 7 o'clock, at 7 o'clock. Okay, see, if you observe here, 3 hours I have given. So in between that 3 hours, they have to choose 90 minutes. So if they are starting at 4 o'clock, then the test will be ended at 5:30 automatically. Once they are started, so within 90 minutes they have to write the answers, and after 90 minutes the test will be stopped. Test will be ended. So I have given 3 hours here. In that 3 hours, anytime they can give the test for 1.5 hour. Okay, that is fixed. So result is at, if it is objective test, so the result I want to declare that on quiz end date time. So quiz end date time, the students can you can show the result to the students, and the students can see their result at their end. You don't have to bother about it. Okay, so allow your students to reattempt the test. Just I am clicking yes, because of sometimes by network issue students are logged out or they are not submitted, so I am giving to reattempt them. So by that, if few students due to the network issue or somewhat other problem, they are out of the quiz, they can come again in the quiz and they can attempt the test, but that within that time only, that 4 o'clock to the 7 o'clock. Okay, so I have clicked that one. Then general instructions, you want to write, you can write here. So attempt all the questions, I'll write attempt all the questions, that I have written here, attempt all the questions. And the next one, I want to write the next instruction as duration is 90 minutes. These two instructions I want to give them. Okay, so see here, you can see, first create a new test, then choose class and subject, then test paper type online test objective only, second option I chosen. Blueprint mode as express mode I have chosen. By one stroke I want to create the paper. Then PDF header and footer, that is a DH1, that template I have chosen. You can choose the DH also, no problem. Test paper name, I have given my own name for the test paper. Then next time allowed is 90 minutes. Starting time, that is 4 o'clock on 12th July, and ending time 7 o'clock on 12th July. So result will be on quiz end date time. Okay, so allow students to reattempt the test if their test is not submitted successfully. I have given the permission. There is no need to give the permission all time. You can skip that part also, no problem. And general instructions we have to write. So next, for going to the next, previous that there is one checkbox. I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. So do the checkbox as a green one. Then click on next button. Please wait, data is being loaded.